Hi, I'm Grant Laird, and I'm here today to show you how to create a new web page on Sharepoint, and also how to add a new web part into that new web page. So first off, you're going to go to the page where you would like to add a new web page. And in the top right hand corner, we have a button here called Site Actions. You just select that and just go down one spot there, and there's a Create Page. Click on that, and a Create Page screen will appear, and you can type in the title that you would like to have for your page, and I'm just going to call this Demo. And you can type in the description of the site, and you can put for demonstration only. And right here is your page layout. You can decide what you would like your layout to be, and I'm just going to do a welcome page, blank Webpart page. And on the left here, it shows you what your potential site will look like with the available web parts. And click on the Create button. The new page is created, and you have your web parts, and there are a few major sections: header, right, top left, top right, and so on. And these sections are where you can add your web parts. So I'm just going to click on header to add a web part. This pops up, and the most used web parts per se would be your images web part, a links web part. Under default, we have a summary links web part. And down a bit further, we have a content editor web part, and we can just add that one here for our header. And whenever you select that, it will pop up, and you have your content editor web part. Here is your edit button. You click on that and go down to modify shared web part. This is where you have the ability to edit your web part that you have just added. Now, Rich Text Editor is what you click, and it opens up kind of a type word processing screen where you can add what you want to add for your web part. So I'll just write demo page. And you can, pretty much just like you're in Word right now, you can select your size, you can bold, italicize, create tables, and everything like that. Change your text color. And this is the button where you would click if you were to insert an image, and let's do that right now. Select that button and click Browse, and we'll scroll till we find a decent image we would like to add. And if there were no images that you would like to use, you would click the Upload button, where you would locate that image on your C drive or your My Pictures folder, and then you would click the Refresh button to refresh the page, and then your image would appear then at the end of this folder. So let's just create a picture using the ISDN, and we click the OK button, and your image is here. And you can change your alignment. You can specify the size that you would like. and that would be about all you would do with your image. And when you want to upload it to the page, click OK, and there it is. You have your picture. And if you would like that to make it a hyperlink, i.e. if you were to click on it, it would take you to another page, a website. You click on this button right here with the little chain beside the globe, and you select the URL that you would like to go to. So let's say we want to go to Google. So let's just open up Internet Explorer. Google is my home page. Right click, copy. We can close this screen and right click, paste, and we have google.ca there, and click OK, and that is now a link. So we're going to exit this, click the OK button, and as you can see down here, the page will refresh, and you can see what we have over there. And these are the settings here on the right that you can use to edit your web part. So if you want to have a fixed width or a fixed height, and the Chrome type right here is currently set to default, which means it will show content editor web part and will have a little blue line underneath it. If you would like that to go away, click None, or if you would like the title and the border to stay there, or title only. Personally, I like it when it has none, so I click the None. Under Layout, you have options of doing other stuff. You can change the zone if you want to go in the top left, top right. We're going to leave it in the header for now. And under Advanced, you have more settings that you can change. Okay, so we are going to hit the OK button, and it will refresh and show us our content editor web part. We have the option of deleting this web part, or we can add other web parts in here in different sections, and they're pretty easy to move. You can just put your cursor over the banner, and you can move it around to go to the top right, top left, right. We can just drop that there in the top left section, and that is pretty much how you create a new web page and add a new web part. And you can just play around and figure out different settings for yourself. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.